Sure, sure. Is there anything, I actually have one quick question now that I have Dr. Singh here. Is it good to wash your hair every day or not? That's like one of the top questions.
I mean, some people can wash their hair every single day and it doesn't make a difference, but if you suffer from dry hair or have styling difficulties, I say every 3 to 5 days, and if you have hair like myself and it's curly, kinky, coily, it's better to do every 5 to 7 days because you don't want to dry the hair out, but you do want to take off the sediment from the shaft, the hair shaft, and it actually re-moisturizes the hair, and your hair dries out over time. So waiting a couple weeks, if you have kinky, coily, curly hair like myself, it will dry out more actually. So you want to actually moisturize it more with the water and then trap it and seal it with moisturizing conditioners and oils.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Well, I've learned so much today about hair loss. I had no idea there was that much type of hair loss, and I cannot wait to get an appointment with you, and we hope to see you soon in our clinics, and come join us and start your hair loss journey with us.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Dr. Singh.
Thank you.